Starting stock trading as a complete beginner can feel overwhelming. Charts, numbers, and fear of losing money surround you. Most successful traders began just like you. In this video, I'll show you how to trade stocks smartly. We will use Luma Exchange, a platform simplifying stock trading for beginners. Stock trading involves buying and selling shares to profit from price changes. As a beginner, focus on understanding basic concepts and managing risk. Most beginners jump in without structure, which leads to failure. Many new traders lose money because they trade emotionally. They often follow random tips and use complicated platforms. Ignoring risk management further complicates things. This makes choosing the right platform essential over searching for the perfect stock. Luma Exchange is a platform I personally used to make profits trading. It combines stock exposure, binary trading, and copy trading into one simple system. Luma Exchange helps beginners learn market movements without complexity. It allows users to copy experienced traders and control risk effectively. You can trade with confidence rather than fear, setting it apart as a top choice for new traders. Now, let's break down how beginners can start trading stocks step by step. Step 1. Start small. You don't need a lot of money. Begin with what you can afford to learn. Step 2. Learn market direction rather than making predictions. Focus on understanding trends. Are they going up or down? Step 3. Use copy trading on Luma Exchange. Rather than trading solo, you can observe and copy traders who already comprehend stock movements. Step 4. Apply risk management. Never risk more than a small percentage on each trade. This strategy helps beginners survive long enough to see success. This structured approach is how profits are realistically achieved on Luma Exchange, even for beginners. Many beginners overlook the benefits of binary and copy trading. These methods simplify stock trading significantly. Instead of holding stocks long-term or day trading randomly, you can trade price movements with clear risk and outcomes. Binary and copy trading represent the future of trading. Platforms like Luma Exchange are becoming essential tools for modern traders. Remember, trading stocks is not a quick way to get rich. Focus on consistent learning, controlled growth, and smart execution. With the right mindset and platform, beginners can grow confidently without losing funds. If you're ready to start trading stocks the smart way, check out lumaexchange.com. Use the same system that helped me profit in trading. Right finger, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more beginner guides, step-by-step tutorials, and strategies on binary and copy trading.